second part of our Father's Day special is ano naman tayo, magko-coffee naman tayo with the family. And nandito naman tayo sa Cafe Carolina. I'm not sure if Cafe Carolina or Cafe Carolina. Yan.
Yan, gaya-gaya.
Yung tagal tinignan, no? Oo, karim.
Yun din.
Overall rating na lang kasi pauwi na kami. Oh, Happy Father's Day, love, love. Oh, what's your overall rating dito sa Cafe Carolina?
Siguro mga 7 over 10. Masarap yung drinks. Okay naman yung lugar. The design nung lugar okay. Ang gusto ko lang i-note is katabi siya ng highway. So medyo maingay yung mga dumadaan na truck, kotse, motor. Rinig na rinig mo. So, ayun.
Yeah, yun. As you can see, dun sa pinakita ko kanina, maluwag naman yung alfresco nila. And masarap lahat ng food and drinks na natikman. Pero hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo, pero ang lakas talaga kasi ng mga sasakyan. Katabi kasi siya ng highway. So, yun lang talaga yung downside. So, for me, 8 over 10. But, overall, we enjoyed it kasi syempre, time with the family. So, ayun. Pretty much it. Thank you po so much for watching and until our next.
Tambay.
Bye!